Alright, so it's me, H-Man, Gulad, Iceman, and the Deuce Man over there. IcemanTV.com. Oh, there's Iceman booking it! Deuce is still there! Iceman doing a burnout! Iceman just pulled out a burnout right there. And there's the Golden Coast. I don't know how good this camera is.
Look at these guys, man. Look at the Golden Coast. Watch out, don't hit each other up.
There's Iceman right there. Gulad, how do you feel?
I feel great, man.
Give a shout out to Ottawa, people.
Shout out to Ottawa.
Oh, there's Iceman about to just do a burnout again. Yes, please hurry up. Woo! Gulad.
Watched the basketball game yesterday. Got to see OJ Mayo, Derrick Rose, and on jet skis today.
Alright, have the line right over there.
Shoot up.
Oh, there's Iceman just doing fun. Oh! Fuck, man! You're good at the lunch time, man!
Get the video! Get the video!